The 2013 Beetle Sport. The VW Beetle rekindled the magic of its legendary namesake and became a ray of sunshine in an all-too-serious car market. The Volkswagen Beetle is among the top 10 best-selling nameplates of all time, ranking right up there with the Ford Model T in terms of numbers sold. The design of Volkswagen's Beetle captures the essence of the original bug and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, air conditioning, front-wheel drive, power steering, automatic transmission, cruise control, Bluetooth, power windows, passenger airbag, heated driver's seat, remote power door locks, trip computer, daytime running lights, tachometer, heated passenger seat, privacy glass, power heated outside mirrors. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.